everyone, I'm Jennifer Aniston and welcome to Nana's Kitchen.
Oh, hello!
Hello! So, as you understand, today we are here with
Betty Ray and my sous chef, Luigi.
It's me, Luigi.
Hello, fellow cooking friend.
So now, can you explain to us what are we going to cook today?
So, an important dinner is due for tonight? Or maybe a family reunion? Well, are you thinking of making roast chicken? Because let's give a round of applause to Mr. Roast Chicken.
So can you explain to us how you chose your chicken?
Well, you know, people are always boiling, grilling, barbecuing chicken, but what has happened to roast chicken? Well, this kind of chicken is perfect for roasting. Well, now let's find out how Wujo chose our chicken.
Hey, it's me, Luigi. And today, I'm going to explain to you how to choose your perfect roast chicken for your serata. The first thing you might want to look at is its size and plumpiness. Usually, larger birds are more muscular, therefore also more flavorful. These birds are usually more expensive than the younger and smaller chickens. A round and plump chicken is usually a juicy one.
Thank you very much, Luigi. So what is the first thing that we are going to do today?
First, we're going to cut the chicken's head.
And there you have it. If the skin is shriveled and dry, the meat probably is too. Pay attention to these few aspects and you have your chicken to roast.
You hear that, Mr. Roast Chicken? You're a beautiful chicken and I bet you taste as good as you look. Now, the next step I like to do is to wash Mr. Roast Chicken because it's so dirty, you know. Now go take a bath.
So do you have any advice?
Before you cut the chicken, you can give him, a little massage. Guido is an expert and he's going to show you.
So, as explained, this chicken is too tough to be cut first. What I recommend you first is to give him a little massage. So, we start off with some lemon and don't forget some mineral salt. This always helps the muscles to relax. Don't forget, 3 fingers around the wings, flop it around. Use the legs. Relax, relax, relax. Turn the chicken around. And the result? You hear that? The sound of perfection. While we prepare the stuffing, we will let Mr. Roast Chicken chill a little bit and let him dry off.
So what are you going to stuff the chicken with?
Salt and pepper, lotus seeds, breadcrumbs, almonds, chestnuts, mashed pork and garlic. We will also be making some side vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, pumpkins and radish.
So what about the stuffing?
You just want to add everything together. So first, 100 grams of pork.
So basically 100 grams of everything.
Yes. And you add everything into the bowl. And don't you forget salt and pepper. And you just mix it up.
Sometimes you may find your chicken unstuffed, so you might have to do this job yourself. So, if I look correctly, I will find his... Well, since it's a male, these are his testicles. Here you go. Yes, and that's it.
So now you're just gonna do little balls and stuff in.
Let me show you how to correctly stuff a chicken. Make a fist and just ram it in.
You can prepare your vegetables as you want, but it may look like this.
Oh, and I recommend just 1 spoon of olive oil. So, for this sauce, I will add just 1 little onion, 1 little garlic. Mash it up. A little bit of lemon, just squeeze it inside. And, well, a little bit of honey to add a little sweetness to our chicken. That'll be it. Perfect. So, with the mixing, use a brush and paint it all over the chicken, just like this. Yes. Get it all over its body.
And now in the oven, 50 minutes, 180 degrees.
And voila! Dinner is ready!
So I guess to Nana's kitchen.
And also to Betty Rab and Luigi.
It's me, Luigi.
Bon appetit!